Hey guys, make Pica De Gallo with me. There is only 2 ingredients. Let me show you what we're going to need to make this Pica De Gallo. Very simple, very quick. We are going to need an onion. We're going to need some tomatoes. We are going to need some lemon juice. We're going to need some peppers. We're going to need some Hymalian salt. And we are going to need some parsley flakes. Very simple. I went ahead and I started pre-chopping some of the tomatoes up. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish chopping up our tomatoes. We want to chop them up, not too thin and not too thick. Then it actually depends on your preference. So we're just going to keep chopping these here until we get all of the tomatoes chopped up. Oh, don't mind that noise. That is just Miss Jasmine. If she hears any noise, anyone walking by with our ring, she's on it. But we're going to continue chopping our tomatoes up. Chopped up, 1.5 because I pre-started chopping them. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this last one over here. We'll grab a fresh one. Okay, and we'll go ahead and grab another tomato. Simple, just 2 steps. Chop the tomato up, chop the onion up. Okay, and we will go ahead and chop one more tomato. These are really good with tortillas, restaurant style. Very simple recipe. You can control your ingredients, your salt intake, your pepper intake, your flavor to your choice. Okay, we have a nice amount of tomatoes here. We only have one more to chop up. Go ahead and chop up this last tomato. Are almost chopped. Just two less pieces here. These are a little bit on the chunky side, but that's okay. I like my Pica De Gallo dip to be a little bit on the chunky side. Okay, we got all of our tomatoes chopped up, so we're going to go ahead and chop up our onion. flip some of these tomatoes over. Start an onion. Just put the ends over to the side. Some shells over. Very simple, very easy. It's been 5 minutes so far. I would say about 10, maybe 15 to the most. It'll take, the longest thing is actually just chopping everything up. So let's go ahead and chop up our onion. Let's chop it in half. Just about done with the first half of the onion. Are all good. They're all chopped up. Just a couple more pieces of our onion, then we will just go ahead and put it all together. Okay, last piece of the onion and one more piece here. These are nice and chunky. Like I stated, I like my Pica De Gallo to be nice chunks. So now that we have our onions chopped up, we have our tomatoes chopped up, we're going to put everything in a bowl. There is Jazz again in my video barking at the door because the ring is letting her know someone has passed the door. Okay, and now that we have our tomatoes and our onions chopped up, we want to go ahead and start adding our ingredients. Very simple. So this is our mixture here. Our tomatoes, our onions. And we're going to go ahead and put the lemon in first. Just going to drizzle the lemon all over the tomatoes, the onions. Put a nice amount in it. Probably can finish this bottle. But let's just go ahead and add the other things on in here. And we want to put some pepper. Some Hymalian salt in here. Get that open. Let's just sprinkle it. Coat the top. It's a nice amount, not too much. Be the judgment of the ingredients that you put in your pico de gallo. And last but least, we're going to go ahead and put some parsley flakes in it. Some people put cilantro. It's your preference what you want to put. You can put parsley, cilantro, chives. It's your choice of what you want to put in your pico de gallo. But tonight, we're using parsley flakes. Okay, we're just going to sprinkle that all over the top. Then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to top it off with the rest of our lemon juice. Right, now that we have everything together, we're going to go ahead and get this mixed up. Smells amazing. Looks very colorful. Very simple. Did not take much long to make. I would say we've done this in less than 15 minutes. So everything is stirred in. All of the flavors are mixed. We're going to put just a little bit more some parsley flakes in here. Okay, then we're going to mix it up a little bit more. Smells good. Okay, I think we got everything blended in perfectly. Okay, and that looks good. So this is our finished product, people. This is our pico de gallo, tomatoes, onion, and parsley flakes. Took us less than 15 minutes to make this. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and share. I am the owner of Shimmer Elegance, where we sell women's wigs, beauty products, and accessories. Our website is shimmerelegance.com. Thank you for watching.